I'll guide you through how to find saved reels on Facebook without wasting time digging through the constantly changing menu system. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. There are 3 methods of doing this. Before we see how to do it using the mobile app, let's start with Facebook on a desktop browser. Open facebook.com on a web browser and look at the left-hand sidebar. Click the Saved option with a purple bookmark icon to open the Saved Items page. At the top right of the saved list, click the Filter icon to prepare to reveal groups of your saved content. From the drop-down menu, select Reels to show only saved short-form videos you saved. Next, let's see how it's done using the Facebook mobile app Universal Save folder. On the Android or iOS app, tap the menu icon or your profile picture on the right side. Tap Saved with a purple color. At the very top, you'll see names of various Facebook content types you've saved. Select Reels from the options to display only the short-form videos you saved. Another way of using the mobile app is the quick Reels profile view. Here's how. Open the Facebook mobile app and tap the Reels shortcut on the navigation bar, which takes you to the video viewing feed. Tap the profile picture icon in the top right corner to open your personal Reels dashboard. Locate and tap the button labeled Saved Reels or Saved, usually in purple color, and you'll see your saved Reels on Facebook. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for more Facebook video tutorials and check the description below for advanced mobile app tips. Thanks for watching.